Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
A compelling album cover starts with a strong concept, acting as your music's first visual hook. Think deeply about what your songs communicate, then translate that feeling into powerful imagery. This initial brainstorming is absolutely crucial, as it lays the foundational groundwork for all your subsequent design choices. Get creative with your ideas and truly let your unique music guide your visual journey from the very beginning. Once your concept is clear, start gathering visual elements to bring it to life. This includes selecting a powerful main image, perhaps a photograph or an illustration, that captures attention. Then, explore different fonts. A grunge band won't use a script font, for example. Finally, establish a consistent color scheme that reinforces your overall mood and brand for a cohesive look. You have several great options for designing your cover, depending on your skill level and budget. For professional-grade results and maximum flexibility, consider industry-standard software like Adobe Photoshop or Illustrator. If you're just starting or need something quick, user-friendly online platforms like Canva offer a wide range of templates. Even mobile apps can help you create a decent cover on the go. As you design, keep key principles in mind to ensure your cover stands out. Prioritize readability. It needs to be recognizable even when it's small, like on a streaming platform. Create a distinct focal point to guide the viewer's gaze, preventing visual clutter. And crucially, maintain consistent typography and color usage. This builds a strong, professional look that reinforces your artistic identity. Your final step is exporting your album cover correctly for distribution. Always save it in a high-resolution format, ideally 300 dpi, to ensure crispness and clarity. For most streaming services and general use, a JPEG file is perfect, but use PNG if your design requires a transparent background. Double-check that the dimensions are at least 3000 by 3000 pixels, meeting the industry standard for optimal visual quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.